In the event that you're searching for Velo cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Velo will go from here on out, we will dissect the previous costs of Velo and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every forecast with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master examiners. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Velo is $0.0181 and Velo is right now positioned #346 in the whole crypto biological system. The flow supply of Velo is 7,390,475,595 with a market cap of $133,825,818. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 7.34% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Velo is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The Velo is down to nearly 14.15% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for recent days. The coin could areas of strength for have in any case. We don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. We foresee future Velo cost expectations. Velo gauge by applying profound man-made consciousness helped specialized investigation on the past value information of Velo. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the Velo coin, which incorporate different boundaries like past value, Velo market cap, Velo volume, and scarcely any more. Assuming that you are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our expectations. Velo value forecast synopsis. Velo is as of now valued at $0.0181 on the lookout. The typical extended cost for Velo in 2025 is supposed to be $0.0343, with likely fluctuation somewhere in the range of $0.334 and $0.396. Our Velo long-haul figure for 2050 recommends Velo possibly going somewhere in the range of $15.10 and $17.54. Velo is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.2469 continuously 2030. The cost of one Velo would reach as high as $12.25 by 2040. Velo value expectation 2024. According to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2024 the cost of Velo is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $0.0227. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.026 with the typical worth of $0.0234. Velo value forecast 2025. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Velo, in 2025 the cost of Velo is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.334. The Velo value worth can arrive at a limit of $0.396 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.343 in USD. Velo value estimate for 2026. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.0458 in 2026. The Velo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.0578 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.0475 all through 2026. Velo value expectation 2027. Velo cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.633 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.0796 with the typical gauge cost of $0.657. Velo value expectation 2028. Velo cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.986 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the Velo cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.1122 with the typical estimate cost of $0.1012. Velo value forecast 2029. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.1459 in 2029. The Velo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.1704 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.1499 all through 2029. Velo value forecast 2030. The cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.2119 in 2030. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.2469, with a typical cost of $0.2179 all through 2030. Velo value estimate 2031. According to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2031 the cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.314. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.3643, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.3227. Velo value expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Velo, in 2032 the cost of Velo is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.4425. The Velo cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.5352, with a typical exchanging cost of $0.4554. Velo value expectation 2033. The cost of one Velo is supposed to reach at any rate level of $0.6308 in 2033. The Velo cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.7717, with the typical cost of $0.649 all through 2033. Velo value gauge 2040. Associations and joint efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute altogether to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Velo cost expectation in 2040, the base anticipated cost is $10.22 and can reach as high as $12.25 for the year 2040. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $10.89. Velo value conjecture for 2050. The reception and genuine use instances of a digital money are similarly imperative contemplations. Projects with pragmatic applications and boundless reception are bound to persevere over the long haul. According to the Velo cost estimate for 2050, Velo is expected to arrive at a most extreme value worth of $17.54 in 2050. The base anticipated cost of Velo coin in 2050 is supposed to be around $15.10. While the typical cost of the Velo for 2050 is projected to be $15.95. Velo value estimate facts. Is Velo a wise speculation? Velo's worth is supposed to keep on growing, as deficiency will in general energize cost rise. If it's not too much trouble, note, there is a gamble to any speculation. Simply put resources into what you can achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and direct the greatest examination conceivable. What will be the Velo most elevated conjecture cost for 2024? The Velo cost is supposed to arrive at a greatest degree of $0.026 toward the finish of 2024. What is the fate of Velo? The eventual fate of Velo is exceptionally reliant upon the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Velo, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right methodology. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with an unbalanced gamble profile. Notwithstanding, still a fantastic venture for those who have a high capacity to bear risk and a strong monetary